So, we're off to do our photo shoot. We're going to meet the guy on the beach, our photographer, and it's about 10 to 9 in the morning. It's beautiful and sunny and clear. Oh, someone's getting their done.
This is where we had our license.
It was, yeah.
So today is absolutely super duper hot one. We had our photo shoot this morning, so hopefully I'll be able to share some of those photographs on this video. And if I can, I'll put them in here. But we got our matching outfits before we came because we knew we were going to do it because we'd done it last time and they were amazing, so I'm hoping that they'll be similar. But because of that, we've left it late to come to breakfast, and now Stu and Scarlett are starving. As I say, it's really, really hot. We're just dripping. It was hard to walk all the way down here. Schooners were shut, so we've come to Neptune's, and Stu's ordered everything on the menu, so you'll see that when it comes. Over there is Bayside, you can probably see, and then Skye up above. Right, Stu, what's the good ideas?
Well, I was going to say, so pick a theme, so some colours of some sorts, whatever it is. Obviously, we went light blue and all. I had light blue and trousers.
Yeah, other people had gone white or matching tops for the boys.
Tops. Some went really bright with red and all. That thing is pick a fan because it's so hot. If you like it, yeah, maybe you may not be like us, but you can at least dab yourself and then put it to one side. I think that's about it. And do the early morning.
So, Scarlett and I wish we'd put our hair up. We've both done makeup and it was just a waste of time, but we wish we'd put our hair up. So even, you know, if you're wanting to be a little bit pretty, make sure your hair's out the way. Yeah. Just like Stu. So, there we are. And we'll show you the food when it comes. So we've ordered a fruit basket for the table and fruit salad for the table. So they've just arrived. Stu's starting to get stuck in. Off you go, Stu. And I'm just going to get stuck into that fruit salad. Just fancied it today, just a little bit of fruit. The food has come, it looks in focus. Me and Stu have got steak and eggs again, and Scarlett has got these lovely fluffy pancakes.
So, we're going to walk down where there's the bit of a coral reef, and we're going to do a bit of snorkeling. Not sure. This is obviously the building area that we were saying before, and I don't know if they've got pictures to show what it'll look like, or these are just general pictures. I think these are just general pictures, aren't they? I don't think these are pictures of what it's going to be like or anything. I think it's just general pictures. So yeah, whole load of work getting done there. Oh, I don't know, they keep showing you pictures, like the same sort of pictures, slides and little pools and stuff. Anyway, so this is the walk down to the coral reef. I can roughly see where the coral is. You can see where it goes darker down there. It's going to be a little bit longer to get there, so we'll record once we're in the water and then see what we can see. Right, so we're over the coral bits and we're about to go under and see what we can see, if we see any fishes. So here we are, snorkeling in the Caribbean. So hopefully you see some fishies in other bits of the video. It's quite hard. There seems to be a gold one striped, so you see a lot of those, and some thin ones. There's Gina and there's Scarlett snorkeling. So yeah, definitely bring a snorkel along. It is brilliant.
So we are off to an adults only dinner in Sapodillos. Scarlett's in a room with TikTok as a babysitter, and then she'll have hers after. So yeah, we'll see how this is. It's the first time. So just wanted you to hear the noise in here in the adults only restaurant, and the lack of chandelier, really. I was really excited.
It says on the menu there's a sit under the chandelier, and I'm going, where's the chandelier?
I was really excited to come here, and well, we'll see anyway. So we've moved inside outside rather, because it was incredibly loud in there.
Can't hear each other.
Well, I mean, the whole reason for an adult restaurant, I thought, was because of noise from kids and stuff, and you end up like it was deafening. Couldn't even hear each other across the table. So right, we've moved forward, and the view's gorgeous. You know, it's much nicer sitting here with this view than sitting in there. Look at that beautiful palm. How does it do that? It's perfect. Like, anyway. Yeah, the sun's just going down, so it's a lovely evening. We've ordered our dinner, so we'll give you a look when it comes. So Stu got the sapodilla salad.
Sapodilla salad?
And I got the conch and calamari. Never had this before in my life, so we'll see how we go on.
What is this, by the way?
I'll give it a bit of a carve, see if we can eat it. Artichoke hearts. Artichoke.
Oh, the dressing on it. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Seems tough to cut, but it's very easy. Yeah, lovely.
So dinner's arrived. I've got the spiny lobster. And Stuart's got the beef tenderloin.
Me? Beef?
Yeah.
Oh, very succulent. You know what I'm going to say? I'm going to say gorgeous before I even eat it. Yeah, gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Oh, Gina's going to try hers.
Take the shell off. You don't want that happening. Let's dip it in the butter.
And
Very nice.
nice.
Yeah.
Good. Well, there you go. Enjoying our dinners. I'm going to get tuck in. Go.
So we went to Sapodillos, as we said. It was an adults only restaurant, so Scarlett missed out on a family dinner, and we really could not see what's the fuss about there at all.
No.
First room was very noisy, as you'll see in the video, and then we sat outside where it was very warm, so neither was good really. Food
was alright. I can't complain about the food, and we've got that in the video.
I don't like mine. You can see my
mine was-
starter. It looked like a jumbled mess of fried breadcrumbs that didn't actually stay on. I couldn't tell which was conch and which was calamari. Drinks took ages to come. The cocktail tasted like petrol fuel.
Yeah. Overall, it's just not a good experience.
No,
and we wouldn't recommend it, to be honest.
No, we've had much nicer
Oh,
meals
yeah,
at some of the family places.
Yeah.
So, yeah, if you think that, oh, I'm here with my family and I'm missing out on a nice romantic meal at Sapodillo's,
Just right out, yeah.
don't worry, you're not missing out.
Definitely not. And there's no chandelier, as it says on the menu.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's our feedback. Hopefully you find it useful.
So these are the products that you get in the bathroom: Red Lane, conditioner, shampoo and body lotion, and shower gel, and they're really good quality, nice and thick. So if you're worrying about that, don't, because you can use their stuff, and I found it really good quality. Washes and conditions your hair really well. So yeah.
For a coffee in America.